Now, Erica makes my favorite dessert, tiramisu, but she makes it with a twist. She adds saffron.
It's a very easy recipe. It's 1 egg, red part,
Yeah.
1 spoon of sugar, 100 grams of mascarpone.
Okay, so let's crack the eggs.
So I put the white part here,
You're separating.
separating.
Look how red those eggs are. So now 5 egg yolks, 5 tablespoons of sugar.
Do you trust me?
I trust you.
So now I need the mussel, please.
So I'll do it.
Mix it.
So mix the egg reds with the sugar, whisk them in, and this helps melt the brown sugar. And because brown sugar is a lot tougher to melt, you have to do it a lot longer. Va bene?
Need mussels, yeah.
So you want it almost to start changing a color where the sugar has dissolved. And I don't know about you, but I always do the taste test.
Ah. Warm.
Warm, right?
So we can start now to put our saffron.
Oh, wow. And you guys make this here?
Yeah.
Now this is like gold. You want to be very careful. And a little bit of saffron goes a long way.
This is our mascarpone, you see.
500 grams.
500 grams, creamy, and fresh.
Nice and fatty.
And fatty and organic.
Yes, and organic.
And now we mix.
You want it nice and even and creamy.
Yeah.
You want me to do a little bit?
Yes.
See, I'm smart. I let you do all the hard stuff, and now I'm just coming in at the last minute.
So now we need our coffee.
Yep.
Okay, so cold espresso.
Now, I noticed you use Pavazzini biscuits, which are delicate, not the Savoiardi, which are thicker. And I don't know about you, but I don't like to dip my cookies too much, where they're too mushy. I want to have a little bit of that cookie crunch.
Yeah, so I throw just a little bit.
Quickly.
Quickly.
So you just want to cover the bottom with the Savoiardi, and then with the creamy mascarpone, lay over the cookie. And just keep going. So you do 2 layers. Oops. Che mascella. We'll blame it on the wind.
This is yours.
That's mine. Are you sure we have to leave it in the fridge for about a half hour?
Would be better.
I can't eat it now. Yeah. Tiramisu has this lush kind of flavor to it. Adding saffron is just like, wow. My favorite dessert now with saffron blew me away. I have the good fortune of traveling throughout Italy and seeing a lot of great agriturismos, farm homes and all that, but what makes you guys so special is that you practice what you preach. You're in tune with your environment and your ingredients, and you guys are a real inspiration. Thank you.